The sun, a blazing ball of fire that dictates life as we know it. But what if it vanished? Poof! Gone in an instant. It sounds like a bad science fiction movie, but the implications are fascinating. The moment the sun disappears, the Earth wouldn't explode or freeze instantly. There would be a period of eerie calm. We wouldn't even notice the change for about 8.3 minutes. That's the time it takes for sunlight to reach us. After 8.3 minutes, darkness would engulf our planet, plunging us into an eternal night. The sun's light, the source of all warmth and energy on Earth, would be no more. Our planet would be shrouded in an unsettling twilight. The stars, usually hidden by the sun's glare, would become visible even in the daytime. The moon, no longer illuminated by the sun, would disappear from our skies. Without the sun's heat, the Earth would start to cool down rapidly. The temperature drop wouldn't be immediate, but it would be relentless. Within days, the average global temperature would plummet below freezing. Humanity would face a new, frigid reality, struggling to survive in a world without its star. The sun isn't just the source of our light and heat, it's the anchor of our solar system. Its immense gravity holds all the planets in their orbits, dictating their paths through the cosmos. Without the sun's gravitational pull, the planets would be like marbles set loose on a spinning record. They would continue to travel in a straight line, tangential to their original orbits, at their last known orbital speeds. Earth, for example, would continue hurtling through space at approximately 67,000 miles per hour. In essence, our planet and all the others in the solar system would become rogue planets, wandering aimlessly through the vast expanse of space. The once orderly dance of the planets would descend into chaos. Collisions between planets, once a remote possibility, would become a real danger. The solar system as we know it would cease to exist, leaving behind a void where order once reigned. The planets would drift into the unknown, forever lost in the vastness of space. Without the sun's energy, Earth would transform into a frozen wasteland. The planet's surface temperature would plummet, causing oceans to freeze over and land to turn barren. Plants, the primary producers of oxygen and the base of the food chain, would die off quickly. Photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert sunlight into energy, would be impossible without the sun. The lack of sunlight would disrupt the delicate balance of Earth's ecosystems. Animals that rely on plants for food would starve, leading to a domino effect throughout the food chain. Within weeks, Earth's surface would be too cold to support most forms of life. Only the hardiest of organisms, those living deep in the oceans or underground, might survive for a while longer. Human civilization, too, would face unprecedented challenges, struggling to find warmth and sustenance in a world without the sun. The inner planets, Mercury, Venus and Mars, would face a similar fate to Earth's. They too would be plunged into darkness and experience a rapid drop in temperature. Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, would feel the effects first. Its already extreme temperatures would become even more severe, with its surface likely reaching close to absolute zero. Venus, often referred to as Earth's evil twin due to its scorching temperatures, would ironically become colder than our planet. Its thick atmosphere, which traps heat, would eventually freeze and fall as snow. Mars, the red planet, might offer a slightly longer window for survival. Its underground water ice reserves could potentially provide a source of heat and sustenance for any remaining microbial life. However, even Mars would eventually succumb to the freezing temperatures and darkness, making survival increasingly difficult. Section 5. Gas giants without a star: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The outer gas giants, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, would experience a different but equally dramatic change. Without the sun's light, they would become dark, ghostly orbs, barely visible in the vast emptiness of space. Their majestic rings, composed of ice and rock, would lose their brilliance, reflecting only a faint glimmer of starlight. These rings might eventually dissipate, their particles scattering into space due to the lack of the sun's gravitational influence. The gas giant's internal heat, generated by gravitational pressure and radioactive decay, would keep them from completely freezing. However, without the sun's energy input, their atmospheres would cool down, potentially leading to changes in their atmospheric composition and weather patterns. Over time, these changes could result in a more stable but colder environment for these distant giants. Section 6. Distant wanderers, asteroids and comets. The solar system's smaller residents, asteroids and comets, would also be affected by the sun's disappearance. These rocky and icy bodies would become celestial wanderers, their paths no longer influenced by the sun's gravity. Asteroids, concentrated mainly in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, would continue to orbit the galactic center, but their individual paths would become unpredictable. Collisions between these celestial bodies would likely increase, creating a cosmic shooting gallery. Comets, often described as dirty snowballs, would lose their characteristic tails. These tails are formed when the sun's heat vaporizes the comet's ice, creating a trail of gas and dust. Without the sun, comets would become dark, icy remnants, silently traversing the interstellar depths. The absence of the sun would turn the solar system into a realm of drifting, aimless wanderers. Section 7. Life without light, the end of photosynthesis. The most immediate consequence of a sunless solar system is the cessation of photosynthesis. This process, the bedrock of life as we know it, converts sunlight into chemical energy, fueling almost all life on Earth. Plants, algae, and some bacteria rely on photosynthesis to produce their own food. Without sunlight, they would quickly perish. This mass die-off would have a catastrophic ripple effect throughout the food chain. Herbivores, animals that depend on plants for sustenance, would be the first to suffer. Without plants to graze on, they would starve, leading to a decline in their populations. Carnivores, animals that prey on herbivores, would follow suit, facing a dwindling food supply. The intricate web of life on Earth, meticulously woven over billions of years, would unravel, leaving behind a silent, desolate planet. In just a matter of days, the world as we know it would begin to fade into darkness. Section 8. The search for a new home, interstellar travel. In the face of such a catastrophic event, humanity's survival would depend on finding a new home. Interstellar travel, a concept confined to science fiction for now, would become the ultimate goal. The vast distances between stars pose a significant challenge. Even traveling at the speed of light, it would take years to reach the nearest star systems. Current technology falls far short of such speeds, making interstellar travel a daunting prospect. However, the potential extinction of humanity could spur unprecedented technological advancements. Fusion power, antimatter propulsion, or even warp drives, currently theoretical concepts, might become the focus of intense research and development. Survival in a sunless solar system would require a paradigm shift in human ingenuity and a collective will to overcome seemingly insurmountable odds. The dream of interstellar travel could become humanity's greatest endeavor, pushing us to new frontiers and ensuring our survival. Section 9. A universe of possibilities, the future of a sunless solar system. The disappearance of the sun would undoubtedly be a cataclysmic event for our solar system. However, it also opens up a realm of possibilities, challenging our understanding of the universe and our place in it. The planets, once bound to the sun, would embark on their own journeys, becoming celestial nomads wandering through the Milky Way galaxy. They might encounter other star systems, potentially becoming captured by the gravity of another star. The frozen remnants of life on Earth could potentially be carried on these interstellar voyages. Perhaps under the light of a new sun, life could find a way to re-emerge, adapting to an entirely different set of circumstances. While the end of our sun would mark the end of our solar system as we know it, it might also sow the seeds for new beginnings, reminding us of the universe's infinite capacity for change and renewal. The journey of these celestial nomads would be a testament to the endless possibilities that the universe holds, a story of resilience and adaptation. What if the sun vanished? Part 3 comes out on April 3rd. Like and subscribe for more. In Part 3, we will discuss the planets and their behaviors and delve deeper into the mysteries of the sun. As we conclude our journey through a sunless solar system, let's take a moment to appreciate the crucial role the sun plays in our lives. The sun is not just a source of light, it is the powerhouse of our solar system, providing the heat and energy necessary for life on Earth. Its radiant energy drives our weather systems, fuels photosynthesis in plants, and maintains the delicate balance of our climate. But the sun's influence extends even further. It is the sun's light that illuminates the moon, reflecting off its surface and giving us the beautiful moonlit nights we cherish. Without the sun, the moon would be a dark, invisible rock, orbiting our planet, unseen and unappreciated. The sun's energy is a reminder of the interconnectedness of our solar system, a delicate dance of celestial bodies bound together by gravity and light. As we ponder a future without the sun, we are reminded of its irreplaceable role in our existence and the intricate web of life it sustains. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of a sunless solar system. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the mysteries of the universe. And remember, the sun is a star, a massive ball of burning gas that lights up our solar system. Until then, keep looking up and marveling at the wonders of our cosmos. And stay tuned for part 3, where we'll delve deeper into the moonlight from the sun. Like and subscribe for more.